Nothing. Nothing on the quartzy iron sulfide and iron oxides. Nothing on the pyrite cubes at all. Pure pyrite, nothing. This corner, the dark blue, whatever this is, it sounds off a good inch away. Not even touching it. About an inch, and then just crazy. And that's not even set on sensitive, that's just basic setting, or else it would be humming all the time if it was really sensitive. Only going towards it, so that means it is a metallic element, probably native form. It's not sulfide, wouldn't pick up the oxide or the sulfides, just a pure element, metallic. Pyrite cubes all over this sample of bedrock, and they don't sound off or anything because they're not supposed to with this detector. Very curious to get this piece assayed.